I think my honest answer to that is that I hope in 3 years I couldn't have predicted where we're going to be, because I don't think I could have predicted 3 years ago where some of these initiatives would be when Ataurus started, when I started jumping into this, and when you and I started having discussions years ago about just some open source collaboration.
I liken it to that, age-old thing of trying to change the wheels on the bus while it's rolling down the highway. Drug development doesn't stop while we retool and figure all this out. And so that's one of the big challenges for us, is to see how we can make that swap and not get in the way of our day jobs, which is getting clinical trial results reported.
Frankly, our North Star, if you like, is we really need additional capabilities to make the most of our data. And this means we need investments in open source tools, languages like R, investments in AI, ML with languages like Python and other languages. These are how we're going to get more value out of our data.
This whole AI boom that we're in right now really is only possible because the underlying tech stack is all open source. So yeah, if you want to get the latest and greatest technologies out there, really open source is the way to go.
Open source software and technology has been part of the SaaS solutions and technology since many decades. We don't compete with open source, not on the language. We embrace R and Python and Julia. We embrace it in myriad ways. We support those languages. We keep investing in the SaaS language because we believe it brings a lot of value. But more importantly, it is the algorithms and the methods that help users to analyze, to transform data. That is really important. And whether they call those methods from an open source language or from the SaaS language is open to us.
So why open source? I think that when I think personally, for me, I'm someone who really advocates for collaboration. I think with collaborative efforts, things move much more quickly. I think people who are collaborating on something are usually driven or motivated by something very intrinsic, and they bring their passion to the work. And I think open source pretty much embodies that in technology.